Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to install Node.js, npm, Angular CLI and VS Code. All these softwares are required to develop the Angular application. First I am going to show you how to install Node.js. For installing Node.js we have to go to the official website of Node.js. Just to go to the Google and enter the nodejs.org. So here we can see the Node.js software. We have a two options here, 14.18.0 LTS and another one is 16.11.0 current. So I'm going for 14.18.0 LTS. So recommended for most users. So just I'm click this option and the Node.js software is downloading. Just go to the download folder. It is downloading. So here we have a Node.js software. So just this I'm going to install the Node.js. Just click this installation file. So here it is displaying the window. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. So just select the next button and here we have to select the license agreement and then click on the next button. So here it is showing the where the node.js is going to install. So C program files node.js. In this path the software is going to install. Just select the next button and here I don't want to touch anything and click on next button. So here I am selecting the checkbox. Automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install chocolately. The script will pop up in a new window after the installation completed. So just select the next button and finally I am going to select the installation button. Now the Node.js software is going to install. Here we can see the select the S and here we can see the progress bar. So it will take some time to load all the packages, node packages. So it will load all the files. Maybe it will take 1 minute or 2 minutes to install. So completed the Node.js setup wizard. Click finish button to exit the setup wizard. So here we can see Node.js has been successfully installed. Just I am selecting the finish button. So now Node.js software is installed. I'm going to the command prompt. So in this command prompt we can see Node.js command prompt. So here we can check. So here after installing the Node.js, please go to the command prompt and check the node and npm version. How we can check the node version? Just a node -v. I'm going to command prompt node-v. So it will show the Node.js version v 14.18.0 and I want to check the npm version also. Npm is already installed when we install the Node.js. Just I'm using npm-v. So it is showing the npm version 6.14.15. So now Node.js is successfully installed. Now we want to install the Angular CLI. So to install the Angular CLI, just go to the command window and execute the following command. So this is the command npm install -g @angular /CLI. So this is the command to install npm. So hyphen here npm is the command install, hyphen g means globally install the Angular CLI. So if you want install any specific version, just use this syntax npm install hyphen g at the rate angular slash cli at the rate version. So here we can see I want to install 8.1.0. That's why I'm take this command and go to the command window. Here paste it. Now I am going to install Angular CLI 8.1.0. So it is loading all the packages. Maybe it will take some time. So it will take some time to install. Minimize all the other windows. We can see here different packages are installing and it's loading related classes. So here we can see Angular CLI is installed successfully. How we can check the either Angular CLI is installed or not? Just to go to the command prompt and here uh, npm hyphen version. Sorry, np hyphen version. So sorry ng hyphen version. So here we can check the Angular version ng hyphen v. So here we can check the Angular version ng space v. So here we can see the Angular version. So Angular CLI is successfully installed. The version is 8.1.0. Node version is 14.18.0. Like here we can see now the Angular CLI is installed successfully. So finally we need to install the VS Code. For installing the VS Code, just to go to this official website. So here we can see the VS Code software. Here we have a different OS related softwares. I am selecting the Windows related VS Code. So here we can see the installation file is going to download. It started. Maybe it will take 10 seconds. So I am going to the download folder. Once it is downloaded, we can start to install. So VS Code user setup is ready now. Just to click on this setup file. So here it will asking the license version, accept the agreement and select the next button. So here it is showing that where it is going to install. So C colon user Srinivas Rao app data local programs Microsoft VS Code. So in this path it is going to install. I am selecting yes, click on next. So here it is asking additional icons should be created in a desktop. Create a desktop icon. If you select this one, it will automatically create the desktop icon for VS Code. So now the installation is starting. We can see here the progress of the installation. So maybe it will take some time. So completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. So I'm going to select finish button. Now the VS Code is successfully installed. So it automatically loads the VS Code. So here it is loading the VS Code. So it is my old project I was created in the VS Code. That's why it is automatically load the file. Suppose if you want to create any new project, we can go for new file. If you want to create new file, you can select this option. If you want new window, you can select this one. If you want to open any file, you can select this option. If you want to open any folder, you can select this option. If you want to open any workspace, you can select this option.